always be your best friend. You can take me with you any place that you choose. I'll always be your best friend. Wow, that was fun.
There you go.